Are you a student or working in electronic industry providing customized solutions to the clients like customized PCB designing, PCBs for their applications? Hi, my name is Surjit Singh, working in the field of electronics since 20 years. Being an engineer, I know it is very hard to explain each and everything to the designer. To design the PCB as per your own imagination, or you need to sit with the designer, which is again very time consuming. So, to overcome this major problem, I decided to learn PCB designing 8 years ago, and I came to know about PCB A to Z from Google and met with the Rajesh sir, who is a very humble personality and having a deep knowledge in PCB designing and in electronic industry. In the starting, I made some designs from him and I was fully satisfied and started learning from him, and he always guided me in a very simple and practical way. Later I feel it's not complicated, but it's very easy to design now. I enjoy designing PCBs like single-sided, double-sided through hole, as well as SMT PCBs at my own imagination, and I'm very happy. The whole credit goes to Rajesh sir, who always stand by me in the journey of learning, and I'm thankful to him for his valuable support till now. Not the least, I could install myself to convey a small message to all engineers, students, and those people who are in electronic industry who are facing same problem like me. I recommend join PCB A to Z immediately, from where you can learn PCB designing in a professional way and achieve your goals just like me. Thank you.